Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson. I'm a certified life coach. This is my series, 21 Days to a Happier, More Attractive You. And we are on day 8. And day 8 is about a power morning routine. So we will get into that in a few minutes. Now, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And remember, sharing is caring. Also, if you have any questions about this series, write them in the comments and I will get back with you and help you with it. But let's go ahead and get started. So we're on day 8, and day 8 is a powerful morning routine for success. Now, who wouldn't want that? So many times when I work with people, I ask them, what brings you joy? What do you want in life? Because that's what coaches do. We kind of help people along with that. And they don't know. They don't know where to start. And my viewpoint on that is because we don't give time to listen to our hearts, to listen to our soul. Because we have all the answers. We are enough. But we need that space for our heart and our soul to breathe. And we just get so much caught up in our day-to-day that we don't take just 5 minutes, 10 minutes to do that. So what I suggest is do this first thing in the morning and try it just a few mornings, see what you think. And what it is spend some time, set your alarm 5 minutes early. What is 5 minutes? 10 minutes. And create a morning routine. Maybe it's that you take the time to do the deep abdominal breaths that was in a previous video, or the let go meditation, which in a previous video, the Om. What it is, you're going to spend some quiet time, either meditating, reading something inspirational, journaling, deep breathing, and giving your heart that space. So you listen. And I guarantee you, when you do this on a regular basis, you will get insights. You will get the answers you are looking for. Because doing this, you are connecting with Source. You are connecting with infinite intelligence. And you have all the answers you need if you just take the time to listen. And when you're doing this, keep a journal nearby, because you will get some insights. Now, my morning routine, I get up and I make my tea, and I'll read something inspirational. Then I'll usually write in my gratitude journal a few things I was grateful for from the previous day, and then I meditate. And then after meditation, I'll journal, because I will have the insights. So today, well, already part of the day, tomorrow, set a morning routine. And another thing that's fun to do is set an intention for the day. What is your intention for the day? Do you want to be a better parent? Do you want to be more patient? Do you want to be more positive? Set an intention, because you're putting that in your mind and you will carry it throughout the day. Now, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about this, please write them in the comments, because I will help you out. But I'll see you tomorrow.